Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz surrounding Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra. From its sleek design to some truly stunning color options, the S25 series has captured the attention of fans and tech enthusiasts everywhere. Let's break down everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 lineup and what makes this Ultra model stand out. Young shared a glimpse into the available color options across the Galaxy S25 lineup. The Galaxy S25 will offer Moonlight Blue, Silver Shadow, Sparkling Blue, and Sparkling Green. The Galaxy S25 Plus will share the same choices with the addition of Midnight Black. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will come in an elegant range of Titanium Black, Titanium Blue, Titanium Grey, and Titanium Silver, emphasizing its premium feel. And that wraps up today's look at the Galaxy S25 series and its amazing new colors. With options like Moonlight Blue and Titanium Black, Samsung is really upping its game on design and premium feel. If you're as excited as we are, drop a comment below with your favorite color choice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, techies, stay curious, stay informed, subscribe my channel. Bye for now.